So hi buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can claim a free business email in Hostinger. So I'll go to the website and I will click on this continue. I'm to tell you this thing, this free business email is only for the Hostinger users who have purchased any plan from Hostinger. And if you haven't purchased any plan, then I will suggest you in the description there is a link, so you can simply click on the link and you will get a 20% discount page. So from there you can purchase your plan. And with every plan, Hostinger provide free email, business email, so you can use it this is for those users who don't have their Hostinger account or who haven't purchased any plan, so they can just claim 20% offer from the description link. And you have to click on this claim your free email. So you have to just simply click on this thing. So you see this domain is added in my Hostinger account, so it's showing me. So you have to click on next, you have to click on get started. Now if I want admin @superthanks.com, this one is my domain, superthanks.com is my domain, and I can just set a business email like admin @superthanks.com, or you can just write your name. If your name is Jack, then you can just type this thing Jack @superthanks.com. The second part will be your domain. Okay, this one is good. Now the password is also set, so I'll click on this create mailbox. Okay, I will save this thing. So if I have to open the mailbox, you can say this thing. This one is our mailbox, you can say this one is our business email. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.